Jano, my dear, that's ya.
Wagwan people, welcome back. If you are the newcomers, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and share with a friend. Yes, we're here with this topic today. 2 persons were killed off a motorbike, a man and a woman in the Mountain View area, approximately by police. Yes, my peeps, I'm gonna make you watch a little part of the video and you just let me know what you think in the comment section. I kinda blur out the video because I don't know YouTube, but let me know what you think.
Jano, my dear, that's ya. Car crash, dog. Bike crash, man, it is. Yo, video him face.
The woman are dead. The woman are dead. The woman are dead, you know. You know them are dead.
Mate, that me I say, mate, this dog. I sorry, never see pussy to lick some shot in him in a dog. I swear. I swear, dog.
Yes, my people, so that a go on, you know. Yeah. If you want a clear view though, you can run over to my Instagram at yard_topics. You can follow my Instagram too if you get more like this. Yeah, because every day we post about it. Alright, my people, so follow me Instagram for more, alright?